This is Amit. As you all know, there is a AICTE tuition fee waiver scheme for Manipal counseling. In that, you will get the same seat with less fee. That is very less fee. There is 5% only seat available with this scheme. But there are lots of criteria. I will try to explain each and everything regarding that, how you can get the Manipal seat with very less fee, and all the detail, all the fee structure, dates, everything I will try to inform you. So kindly watch the video up to the last so that you will get a step by step all process to do the AICTE tuition fee waiver scheme counseling for Manipal counseling. So here is the information. Only two campus of Manipal is participating here. That is Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, and second is MIT Bangalore. That is two campus. Only two campus you will get, and 5% of those seats will be given through the this scheme, that is tuition fee waiver scheme. So here I will inform you about each and everything. First of all, participating institute is here, MIT Bangalore and MIT main campus. So here you can check what are the branches available, and here for Bangalore campus also total 8 branches are available. And now if you talk about eligibility criteria, then you should have passed 10 plus 2 with 50% in physics, math, and any one of the optional subject can be from computer or chemical, civil, electrical, and mechanical domain. And thereafter, the most important thing that you need to keep in your mind, your parents income should be less than 8 lakh in the last assessment year, that is for 2024 and 2025. So here is the main rule that you need to have. I know if you are looking for Manipal, then your parents income will be more than 8 lakh, but if your parents income is less than 8 lakh and you can provide the proof, then you can be eligible for this scheme. And for that you have to provide IT return, that is income tax return, for the assessment year of 2024 and 2025. If your parents is in foreign, I don't know why they have mentioned this. If any parents is working in foreign, their income will be more than 8 lakh. I can assure that. So this is the information regarding the eligibility criteria. If you will change the branch in second year, then this scholarship will not be valid. Otherwise, if you continue with the same branch whatever you have got, then this scholarship will be valid for all 4 years. But if suppose if you will be in top 20% of your class and now you join with mechanical, and next year you will change to CS or EC, then this will not be valid and you have to pay the regular fee. And here one more thing, that is counseling procedure. First you need to register, choice filling, second seat allotment, course fee payment, wait listing. So for all the process I will guide you personally one to one. If you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. Sideways you can check the detail as well. In the description you will get the link also to join my guidance course also through WhatsApp. Also you can contact me Insta also. So let me explain it each and everything step by step. Last date to apply is 27th, to last date to submit the document and preferences online is 27th. Through this link you have to register. Seat allotment totally depends on MET rank and number of students registering for this scheme. Your registration will not guarantee you that you will get the seat. It will totally depend on the cutoff. And if you get the seat and once you make the payment, your seat will be confirmed. If you will fail to make the payment, you will be out of the counseling process. Thereafter choice filling will be done. That is most and very important process, because that will decide what you will get in the counseling process. So for that also I will guide you continuously so that you will not do any mistake, and until you join the hostel I will guide you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMET, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. And here you can check seat allotment, everything they have mentioned. And one more thing before going forward for this video, I would like to inform, they have mentioned in this, I know this thing because I am doing it from last 6 years. So if you have got the seat through original BTech counseling and now you are getting the seat through AICT, then you need to mail them so that they will cancel your original fee seat, and they will convert that and they will convert you for the AICTE seat, so that you will have to pay less amount, and whatever you have paid earlier more, that will be refunded back to you, or that will be adjusted with the new seat that you will get through TFW scheme. And here is the, here you can check detail they have mentioned. And now you take check about the important thing regarding the fee structure. So here you can check biotechnology 4,98,000 for all 4 years, and for computer 7,42,000, and for electrical there is different type of fees there. Sidewise you can check all the fee. I am providing you the detail here. And course fee payment, first installment you have to pay on compilation of first fee payment, the allotted seat will be confirmed. And thereafter you need to confirm the seat, and you have to upload some document also that I am going to provide. And payment option is here, there is a link, and there is a NEFT option or RTGS you can say. On this the account detail you can pay, and thereafter you will be in waitlisted, and your admission will be confirmed once you get into the college by submitting all the document offline. So before class assessment, the date of submission of request will be considered the date of withdrawal. So before class commencement you can withdraw and take the refund after class commencement also, and there are different type of rule that I have already provided in my previous video. You can check, the same rule will be applicable here also. List of document you can check: 10th standard mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and the transfer or SLC, and the date of birth certificate or 10th mark sheet if the date of birth is mentioned there, and parents and mother self-attested photocopy of income tax return, or if your parents is in foreign then 12 month salary slip, Aadhaar card, PAN card of the parents, Aadhaar card of the candidate, 2 recent passport size photograph, and a copy of overseas citizen or person of Indian origin card if you have, if applicable, OCI POI category. So these are the information that you need to keep in your mind regarding the AICTE counseling, that is tuition fee waiver scheme. You will get the same branch and college with the less fee in Manipal counseling through this scheme. So if you are interested, you can contact me for complete counseling guidance, because no one will provide you this much detail, and once you do mistake you may lose a chance to save your parents money, because otherwise you will have to pay 20 lakh or more than that, but here you will have to pay less fee. And one more thing I would like to inform you, this scheme will not cover your hostel fee as well as mess fee, that is regular fee that you have to pay like other restaurant, but your tuition fee will be deducted a lot. So this was the complete information regarding the TFW scheme. Hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.